Just to give you a sense of how much conviction you have, how aggressively are you buying right now as we do get the sell-off in bonds?
So I'm trying to hang on to all my fingers and toes and keep my discipline into month end. This feels like a real month end washout. Somewhere around this time in the month when you have those, the third week, you get a little bit of buying and then everyone gives up the ghost into month end. So I'm going to wait and see what happens going into Friday and Monday. There's some big data coming out. You not only have PCE, you have the Bank of Japan. I think you also still have a lot of investors wanting to take profits or a lot of momentum investors yet to cash out. So we're really close. We're really looking at levels both in government bonds, more importantly in credit, and we feel this is a pretty good opportunity to get in.
That's our next question. The washout where? You're looking for it more in credit than you are in treasuries?
I'm hoping for it in credit. I'm hoping that we can push high yield back to 400 basis points over. I think that's too far. Can we get to like 350, 360? Absolutely. I'm a buyer in there. Corporate credit, we've already started to buy because it's mostly the risk-free rate in there, and that's had a pretty good backup. And treasuries, yeah, we'll see how this next round of fundings go, and we'll be in there buying.
Are you worried about the auctions at all? We'll talk about that a little bit more, a little bit later. Lisa's been talking about the numbers, some record issuance on some maturities. Any concerns there whatsoever?
No, not at all.
So why wouldn't you be buying now? What are you waiting for?
I think, so I'm not concerned about the auctions from a longer-term structural budget deficit, fiscal policy, because I think it does get spent, it gets used in the economy, and it generates revenue, which the Treasury collects. So that doesn't bother me, and I think we've shown that it's sustainable, and the entire yield curve is trading below Fed funds. I think this is a month where people just want to get out of the way and see what happens. I want to see where things settle. There's no advantage to buying the day before three big auctions instead of the day after.